Hi, my name's Audra, and I really love the car wheel. And this is my partner Kyra. And she kind of fell on the ground in this clip, but she's super cool, and we're gonna cook today. Today we will be making pico de gallo because Kyra loves it, and because I love portobello mushroom, we're making portobello mushroom stir fry. Here you will see our standardized recipe for pico de gallo. For this recipe you need tomatoes, white onion, jalapeno pepper, cilantro, lime, and salt. Here you will see our mise en place, which is very important, as any chef would know. We first start by washing our hands for food safety. Alrighty, so we're going to start the tomatoes by cutting them in half, and then cutting them in half again. So as you see, we're cutting the tomatoes some more, and then we're removing the seeds. The next step is to make fine strips of the tomatoes. After our fine strips, we're just going to cut our tomatoes into small dices, and then on to onions. After you cut the onion in half, make sure to take off the head and peel the skin. And now we are doing a technique called Sicily. For the cilantro, you want to separate the leaf from the stem. Here we are using a technique called chiffonade, where I will bundle up the cilantro and then slice it. Now, it's jalapeno time. Cut that jalapeno in half. Then remove the stem. Now remove the seeds. Now that we have no seeds, we are going to make some fine strips. And now we are going to dice our jalapenos. Wow, that pico is beautiful, but it's not done yet. Me and Kyra just wanted to add a lot of lime. And then salt your pico. It's time to stir fry. Ingredients include mushroom, cornstarch, green onion, ginger powder, garlic, broccoli, soy sauce, and sesame oil. And look at that mise en place. First things first, we're going to slice our mushroom into some beautiful strips. Now, using 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, we are going to pour that into the bowl with the mushroom. And then we are going to mix those two together. And we got our cooking oil in the pan ready to go. So we're going to put our mushrooms in the pan. It should sizzle when you set it down. And we're going to put them in there for 3 minutes. Now with our green onions, we want 1.5 inch thick rondelles. So we're going to be using about 3 cloves of garlic. And then we are going to throw all of those things besides the mushroom into the pan, and we're going to stir fry a little bit more. And now we're going to add some pepper. We are also adding ginger powder, which is super cool. As you can see, we're adding soy sauce and also sesame oil, just to add to the flavor. Now sit back and enjoy the beautiful food you cook. Ah, beautiful pico de gallo. And beautiful portobello mushroom stir fry.